Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2023 Hyundai Tucson. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This upscale Tucson crossover is ready to make even the most routine errands feel enjoyable. Its meticulous quality of construction, standard touchscreen infotainment and driver assistance features, European sensibility, and smooth, refined ride infuse every journey with confidence and satisfaction. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, navigation system, moonroof, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, satellite radio, power liftgate, heated mirrors. Elevate the quality and comfort of your daily drive. Get into this outstanding Tucson. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.